Hello everyone. Today in this video we are discussing about how to create related list in Salesforce. A related list is defined as a visible representation of the correlation between one object with the another object. It is also defined as a single piece that appears as a list of related records which is based on one particular object. The use of the related list as a single piece on a custom object page to add certain connected information in context for the page. And there are two versions in which we created our related list. The first one is the lightning version. Let me show you. Here you can see I open my lightning version, and in this we have to create related list. So for this I firstly move to my gear icon. This is my gear icon. Click on that and you can see that there are two options. The first one is setup and the another one is service setup. Click on the setup and you can see that the setup page is open. Now you can click on the object manager. The object manager page is open. Here we are selecting the account object. The account page is open and here we are selecting the page layouts that is present under the detailed option. Click on the page layout. After clicking on the page layout window is open. Now click on the account layout. After clicking on the account layout option, the account layout page is open. Under this account layout page, there are related list option. Click on this related list option and you can see that the related list item are shown on the screen. Now drag and drop one of the related list item into the related list section. Here we are dragging the approval history related list item into related list. Here we are dragging the approval history item into related list section and then click on the save option. After clicking on the save option, we can see the dialog boxes appear. In this dialog box there are three options: yes, no and cancel. If we want to save, then click on the yes. If we don't want to save, then click on the no and then click on cancel. We want to save this related list, so we are clicking on yes option and this related list is saved. So now we will move ahead and learn how to create related list in Salesforce Classic. So let me show you. So here is our Salesforce Lightning version. By default, when we open our Salesforce, it will automatically open the Lightning version. You have to switch it to Classic first for working with the Classic edition. So we have to click on our profile. This is our profile. Click on that and here you can see we have an option switch to Salesforce Classic. Click on it and you can see our Salesforce Classic edition is open. Now click on the setup option. After clicking on the setup, now click on the accounts that is present in the nav bar. Click on the accounts. Here you can see that the account page is open. Now click on the one of the account. Now click on the one of the recent account. Here we are choosing the Textile Corp of America. And you can see that the Burlington Textile Corp of America page is open. Now click on the edit layout that is present on the left side of the page. Click on it. The account layout page is open. Now click on the related list option. After clicking on the related list option, the related list item is shown on the screen. Now dragging and dropping the related content into the related list to the related list section. Here we are choosing the communication and into related list section and then click on the save option. After clicking on the save option, we can see the dialog boxes appear. In this dialog box, there are three options: yes, no and cancel. If we want to save the related list, then we click on the yes. If we not want to save this related list, then we click on the no and cancel option. But we want to save this related list option, then we click on yes option. And you can see that this layout is saved. After saving the related list, the newly created related list communication subscription contents is shown under the Burlington Textile Corp of America. So with this, we have learned how to create related list in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.